In a previous video, I showed you how to make fresh homemade pasta dough. So now, let's make filled pasta, like homemade ravioli, to level up your skill. I've made a delicious, super creamy filling of ricotta, say it with me, ricotta, and mascarpone cheese, parmigiano reggiano, fresh basil, egg, salt and pepper. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna take a dollop of this cheese filling and place it about 2 finger widths apart down the center of a pasta sheet. There are a few ways to make homemade ravioli. I'm going to show you what I call the sandwich method. Place a pasta sheet on top of the filling and then, using your fingers, smooth out the air bubbles all around the filling, the edges, the sides. I like to use my fingertips, especially my pinkies, to make sure I get all of the air out. With a fluted ravioli cutter, cut the dough in half. Now, do you see how my dough didn't pull apart right away? That will happen to you sometimes, which is not really a big deal. Just take your ravioli cutter and go over the dough again. As you can see, it's easy to stay focused, especially when your 4-year-old is trying to bust down your office door. Okay, back to ravioli. Cut the dough into strips and then trim each strip into squares, about 2.5 to 3 inches, whatever you'd like. By the way, your squares don't have to be perfect. Mine aren't perfect. No one has time for perfect. Just make them your own. Remember, it's homemade ravioli.
What spot can I do?